Cannot even start to tell you how much easier my life is. We're a very, very small family business, and trying to keep on top of everything is really hard. I put myself on lots of courses and think that I know lots about trying to keep up on social media, and then I walk out of the course and I've forgotten it all.
We've been on a few courses over a number of years. You go on the course, you go home, you mean to do something, you forget. The thing about finding Mark's training site and these videos is that you can watch them over and over again. We lead very busy lives, but it's something we can fit in an evening, because we get the chance to do the training videos in our own time, and they're always there to watch.
We had no bookings, we were going nowhere. I got a Facebook page, but it wasn't generating any business. And Mark took me basically by the hand, looked after me, sorted out my business, and talked to me about how to market the business. And he's done this mostly through the Boostly training site, having some fantastic ideas and good training and videos and all sorts of help.
I have now been speaking to Mark for 6 months, and he has been absolutely fantastic. His course is exceptional, like nothing I've seen before, and it's helped me come on a long way.
I haven't worked out exactly how many more direct bookings we're getting now, but it's easily noticeable that the volume of OTA bookings versus direct bookings has shifted significantly in a positive direction. Mark's very approachable, the videos are easy to follow and immediately actionable. And that's the best bit, because we've just seen immediate results.
I followed Mark for about 8 months before I thought I'm going to take the leap, and I paid my money, and I am so happy. He is so supportive. I find his tutorials so easy to follow. He's at the end of Messenger. He has been amazingly helpful, and yes, best money I've spent ever.